blank wall of a new house is like an artist's canvas. The kind of exterior you choose for your home gives your home its unique signature. Choosing a stone exterior is one way to make your house look like a castle, and you don't have to be from the royal family to afford this style. Today we're going to show you how to give your home the natural stone look with cultured stone that's actually manufactured in a factory. Now, one of the big advantages I like is that it's approximately half the cost of natural stone, but cost is just one of the many advantages that you have with using cultured stone. Works good for corners, doesn't it?
Yeah, it
a lot
really
better
does.
than regular stone. Mike Joyce of Cultured Stone says that this stone is manufactured with state-of-the-art technology. Mike, this cultured stone does look exactly like natural stone. How do you achieve that look?
Well, Mike, the way we really started is we take molds off of native stones or natural stones.
So this relief that we see right here on this cultured stone was actually a stone at one time.
Correct.
Okay, and you make a mold off of that. And I mean, there's a lot of different looks on natural stone. I mean, this look looks great, but I mean, there's a lot of others. Have you got molds for all different types, or?
Exactly. We make molds from stones around the world. We start with tons of natural rock and draw a mold from each individual stone and make multiple molds, and then from there go into production to produce them.
Okay, well, if I can achieve any look that I want and I also save money, what's the other advantages on going with it?
Well, one of the other key ones, Michael, is weight. You know, if you think about it, we make a product here out of Portland cement, and cement has weight issues just as natural stone does. So we need to add things to it to lighten it up, in other words, and we do that by a lightweight aggregate, and the finished result is it's a quarter of the weight of natural stone.
A quarter of the weight.
Yeah.
So you save a lot of weight. And back here, the guys are just actually sticking it on the wall. They're not stacking it the way you would real stone, because real stone, I need to have a brick ledge on my foundation here, and you don't have that.
Exactly. We're adhering it to the exterior of the wall, and when you look at a cultured stone, it's a veneer application, which means it's 15 pounds or less applied to the wall. So.
Okay, so I saved a lot of money on the foundation, but if I had an existing home, I wasn't building a new home, I could take off whatever exterior it has on it and go ahead and stick the stone right to it. I don't need to put a foundation around it.
Exactly. Or in many cases, you can go over what's there, depending on obviously the flatness of the substrate.
I really like that. So Mike, this is what you mean about just hanging the stone right onto the scratch coat?
Exactly. As you can see here, we got the scratch coat already applied, and it's all prepared. It's dried a little bit, and Frank here is applying butter in the back of the stones and just putting them straight onto the wall.
And you just sort of pick and choose how you want the layout of the stone?
Yeah, you're working from several boxes of stone at one time and kind of intermingling them all in, and just kind of cut and paste as you go.
Yeah. Well, do you have a stone to fit every hole? I mean, what if it doesn't fit in there?
Well, there's a tremendous ability to come back and trim and fit with our product line. The product actually cuts fairly easily. With a diamond blade saw, you can come back, cut and trim, and put the product straight into those little holes he's creating.
Okay, and since that is concrete, it's not going to break easy once it's up on the wall, is it?
Exactly. No, it's a pretty rugged surface once it's done.
So remember, if you're thinking about a stone exterior for your home, consider concrete. You can even order custom colors to match your taste. By installing concrete stone at your house, you can really afford to live like a king at half the price.